Thank you for purchasing a profile dishwasher drawer designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen. Your drawer is Wi-Fi enabled, and we highly recommend connecting to Smart HQ to get access to software updates and extended features, delivering unmatched performance over time. To get started, simply scan the QR code on the sticker inside the top drawer, or download Smart HQ and follow the guided steps. We recommend using dishwasher pods or powder detergent. If using pods or tablets, place them directly in the silverware basket before starting a cycle. For powder detergent, scoop it into the dispenser and close the lid. Liquid detergent should not be used in this dishwasher. Use a rinse aid for best results. A red indicator light will appear when the rinse aid compartment is empty. This dishwasher includes flexible loading options. Fold-down tines accommodate larger serveware and cookware. Adjustable rack spacing helps fit deep bowls or plates. 4 utility shelves move up, down, or fold away to fit taller items. The silverware basket includes an optional mini basket and covers to improve spacing and cleaning performance. To maintain optimal wash performance, clean the filters regularly. You'll see a filter alert on the control panel and in Smart HQ if connected. To clean, simply remove the filters, rinse with water, and twist them back into place in the bottom of the drawer. Each drawer operates independently. Use the controls on the top drawer to manage both. To wake up the controls, press the double drawer icon in the bottom left. You will select all your options at the bottom of the control pad. Select either the upper or lower drawer to begin. Next, press Select Cycle to scroll through options and choose what fits your needs. Heavy, for pots, pans, and baked-on messes. Normal, eco-friendly for everyday use. Light, for lightly dirty dishes. Custom, runs your cycle selected in Smart HQ. 30-minute, great when you're short on time. Rinse, rinses dishes without detergent or drying. You can also add sanitize to your cycle by pressing the corresponding button. Press the dry button to choose extra, normal, or off. For best results, we recommend extra dry. Once you have made all your selections, press the Start Pause button to begin. The drawer will lock once the cycle starts. If you need to add an item mid-cycle, press Start Pause again. After a few seconds, the drawer will unlock. Add your item, then press Start Pause once more to resume. The controls will show whether the cycle is washing or drying. When complete, Clean will appear, and a notification will be sent via the Smart HQ app, if connected. Smart HQ unlocks even more functionality. Receive software updates, turn on notifications, adjust cycles, and access special options like Delay Start or Sabbath mode. To schedule a delayed start, select your preferred time in the app. The Delay Start icon will appear on the dishwasher's control panel. We hope you enjoy your profile dishwasher drawer. For more detailed information, please check the Use and Care manual located in Smart HQ. You can also visit our website for additional tips, support, and videos.